Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a curious girl named Lila. Every night, she gazed at the silver moon from her window, dreaming of grand adventures. One evening, she noticed a soft glow coming from the garden. Intrigued, Lila tiptoed outside. As she stepped into the garden, she gasped in wonder. The moonlight cast shimmering shadows on flowers that glowed like stars. To her astonishment, she heard gentle whispers among the petals. "Come closer, dear Lila." They chimed. Each flower had a different voice, sparkling with secrets. A radiant blue flower spoke first, revealing tales of distant lands where fairies danced and dragons soared. A bright yellow flower shared stories of brave knights in enchanted forests, igniting Lila's imagination. The vibrant red flower told her of a hidden treasure guarded by a wise old owl. As Lila listened, she felt the magic envelop her, filling her heart with joy. She picked a single bloom, a soft purple flower, promising to return. As she drifted to sleep that night, Lila knew her life was forever changed, for she had discovered a world where dreams blossomed like flowers under the moonlight.